Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a photo collage on your WhatsApp story. Okay, let's get started guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp and then I'm going to go to the updates menu to create a WhatsApp status. And then we're going to click on this camera icon. And here, as you can see, you will have this option called layout. You can tap on this option and you can choose up to 6 photos for your layout. Okay, I'm just going to pick random photos from my gallery. For example, this one. And then we're going to click on this check mark after we're done selecting the photos. Okay, and then you can choose the type of the layout here. For me guys, I'm just going to choose this one and then we can click on done. And after that, before we upload our story to WhatsApp, we can add music, sticker, or maybe text, or it's up to you. You can customize it as you like, and you can click on the send button to upload your story. Okay, the next one, I'm going to show you another way to create a photo collage. So wait, I'm going to go to updates again and create a status. Okay, and I'm going to select this picture and you're going to select the sticker icon. And here you will see the photo option. Tap on that and you can select your second photo. It will create like a layer. It's like PIP. Okay. And then you can also change the frame of the picture. Just tap on the picture and then here you will have some frames. And I'm just going to choose this star. Okay, I'm going to place it here. And then I'm going to add one more photo. I'm going to select this one. And I'm going to change the frame to heart. Okay, click on done and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, that's so cool. You'll be able to create like collage with this feature, and this feature is more customizable because you will be able to change the frame. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a photo collage on a WhatsApp story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.